UniFlex OneFlash Permanent Roof Repair Sealant is a single-step application for reduced labor time. General contractors, commercial roofers are targeted end users. Small maintenance recoats and commercial low-slope recoats are targeted projects. Some of the features and benefits include no fabric reinforcement required, very easy application by brushing or caulk gunning. It will remain flexible and strong, excellent adhesion to multiple substrates, and can be coated by traditional acrylic and silicone roof coatings.
Number 1, we are addressing a blister condition.
So we can identify the blister, and after we've done that, we can take our hook blade knife and remove this defective area on the roof. Once we've identified that the roof that surrounds it is sound, we can take our OneFlash and start our repair. We're going to remember that we want to put enough OneFlash to fill the void that we just took out. After we applied enough, we can take our tooling tool, make sure that we spread it out evenly, and we end up with a sound repair.
Number 2 is a demonstration of a fish mouth at a seam.
So we'll check all our seams, make sure that nice and tight. Then as we identify our fish mouth, we will cut that fish mouth out. Make sure that that roof is nice and connected to the substrate. Then we can move forward by applying our OneFlash. Making sure that we extend 3 inches out in all directions. It's very important as well that we have a 60 mil thickness for this repair for it to be a workable repair for long-term sustainability.
Great job, Leo. Moving on to number 3, application of OneFlash to a curb condition or roof to wall.
We'll start the application on the vertical condition, which will help to allow gravity to call on it. Once we get that, we can move on to our horizontal condition, and we're going to focus on making sure that OneFlash extends 3 inches beyond all seam details at a film thickness of 60 mils wet. This would apply whether we're working with a modified TPO, EPDM, or PVC roof membrane.
Looks great, Leo. Number 4, we have a roof penetration detail.
Once we've ensured that everything is in a sound and watertight condition around the roof penetration, we're going to start by applying the OneFlash at the vertical condition, which will allow gravity to call on it. Once we get to that, we can move on to our horizontal condition, and we're going to focus on making sure the OneFlash extends 3 inches beyond all seam details at a film thickness of 60 mils wet. This would apply whether we're working with a modified TPO, EPDM, PVC, and/or metal roof substrates.
Finally, number 5, we have a vertical and horizontal seam on a metal panel assembly.
We'll start the application on the top side of the horizontal or vertical seam. This will allow for the OneFlash to flow over and across the seam. We are going to focus on making sure the OneFlash extends 1 inch beyond all metal panel seam details at a film thickness of 60 mils wet. The method demonstrated today applies to a corrugated metal roof assembly. Note, if you have a crimped standing seam condition, please refer to the UniFlex Guide specifications, which are located at uniflexroof.com.